In this video, I'll show you how to fix the playback quality in Netflix. There are actually 3 different ways to do this. First, make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Without good internet, Netflix will automatically lower the video quality to prevent buffering. Second, go to your Netflix account by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to your profile settings and click on Playback settings. Here, you'll see options for data usage per screen. If you leave it on auto, Netflix will adjust quality based on your connection. To always get the highest possible quality, select High and then click Save. Third, check your Netflix plan. From your account page, go to Membership and Billing and select Change Plan. Here you can see which resolution your current plan supports. For example, the standard plan supports Full HD, 1080p, while the premium plan supports Ultra HD, 4K. If you want higher resolution playback, upgrade your plan accordingly. So, to recap, a good internet connection, proper playback settings, and the right subscription plan are all needed to fix Netflix playback quality. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like.